Hi folks, today I will be unboxing my new PC, Dell Optiplex 780, 2.9 gigahertz speed, 8 gigabytes memory RAM, and 1 terabyte hard disk. It comes with Windows 7. I might upgrade to Windows 10. And it's refurbished. Okay, so let's move on to the unboxing. Okay, so it came with a keyboard. I already have a keyboard, but I'll use the new one. This is a plug-in cable. And it comes with a mouse. I don't use the mouse because I can't see the screen. I didn't get a monitor because I already have one. And I use shortcuts to navigate on the computer with the arrow key, and I navigate with using the tab key. So I don't use the mouse. Box down. This is the CPU. They got it really protected. It's protected with the cardboard and plastic over it. Wow, this plastic is hard to break. I've never seen this kind of plastic surrounding the computer. It's like elastic. You see the package? Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, share, like, and comment below. Hope you liked the video for today, and I'll be waiting for you in the next video.